Hey JVs, Andy here. Right, in this video I'm going to explain to you quickly what PopAzon is, what it does, and then I'm going to give you a brief overview of the plugin itself. So first of all, what is PopAzon? It is a plugin that allows your users to instantly monetize their content or blogs using Amazon. Okay, and it does this using two different techniques. So what I'm going to do is just show you the end result, and then I'm going to give you a quick demo of the front end version of this plugin. So if I refresh this page, you will see there's a blog post. So a visitor would land on the site, be looking at the blog post, and then what it does, it appears to be searching for the best prices. Now this can be customized to give any message that you want, and also to show that scrolling animated message for as long as you want as well. And then you will see what it does here. It comes up with a title. In this case, it's lowest prices for drone accessories. So let's just say, for example, this blog is about gadgets and stuff, and this blog post is about a review for a drone. For example, this one, the DJI Phantom. What it would do, it would pop up relevant products to match the content, okay, and these can all be manually selected very quickly using the plugin. There is also an automation feature as well that can do this automatically for you without you having to do it manually. So if you have a blog, or if your customer has a blog that has a few hundred posts on it, the plugin can automatically match the best products to go with that content. Okay, so that's one use for the plugin. So using pop-up technology, which is proven to work. The other one is where it creates a product in the content. So if I scroll down here, you will see here searching for best prices. So it gives the it sends off that signal that it's actually outsourcing the best products. So if this is a post about golfing, you'll see here that there's just some golfing products within the actual content. Again, this can all be stylized. You can have as many products as you want. You can have as many columns as you want. You can choose different sizes, colors for the text, the sizes for the text, so it's all fully customizable. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just give you a quick overview of the actual plugin. So once you've installed the plugin, you will see that there's some Amazon settings. This is where you can put in your different affiliate tags to match the different countries which you have to do. Okay, and you can target each different country in each of the posts manually. Okay, the Pro version will have a geo targeting feature built in where you can choose to serve the correct version of Amazon depending on where the visitor is located. Okay, you've got a styling tab as well where you can fully customize the pop-up or the table of products depending on which of the two options you want to use to display the products to the visitor. But you can choose the background color, the link color, you can choose the header color. Okay, if you want to show the price, you can show the price color. Otherwise, if I left blank, it will just use the default blog settings. Now, you can also choose the font sizes, the size of the link title fonts, so you can fully customize everything. Okay. Now, this is the feature that tells the visitor that it's searching for something. Okay, so you've got three options in here, or you can use a custom option of your own, but you've got searching for best prices, searching for best products. But if you want to have something other than that, you can simply just type it in here and it will use that, and it will show the animated bar as well. So it gives the sort of the impression that it's out there, the website searching for the best products or prices for you. Okay, which is going to help getting that click through then through your affiliate link through to Amazon itself. Okay, where you might get credited with that sale. I'm going to scroll up. We've got an automation feature. This is all the front end version as well, just to reiterate that. But you've got an automation feature which I touched on a little bit earlier in this video. If you have a blog with loads of posts on it that you don't want to go through and manually select the products, then you can use this feature. You can enable this. You can enter some keywords. So if it's a blog about drones or a blog about mountain bikes or whatever, you can put a number of different keywords in here. You can also select this option and it will try and serve the best products relevant to the actual post title or the product category. Okay, so you can leave that enabled or not. If it can't get the information it needs from there, it will then revert to the keyword field. Again, you can set a generic or something more specific for the title, which is going to be above the products in the pop-up or the table. You can choose the default position. You can choose the delay that you want, so whether it's 5 seconds, 20 seconds, 2 minutes or something, you can do that in here. So you've got control over that. You can choose whether you want to show the price as standard or whether you want to leave it not showing the price, so it creates a bit more curiosity to get that click through. You can choose whether to show the image only or to have the image and the title, and also you can choose to show whether you want to show the pop-up every page they land on, or whether you want to show it once, and then you can choose how many hours that it will be left before they're shown any future products if they're a return visitor to the site. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you the process of how you would apply this to a page manually. Okay, so I'm just going to click on all posts. I'm going to scroll down and I'll click on this one here, click edit. Right, and you can see that there's a post in here. Okay, so we can just click basically anywhere, because what we're going to do is look for products. So what we do then is click add media. I'm going to click Amazon products. Then what we're going to do, we're going to type a keyword in here. So I want to type in drones, okay, just for any example. So I'm going to click search. And as you can see, the plugin returns a ton of Amazon products all related to drones. Okay, so what we would do here then is we would choose a product table title, which will display at the top. So I'm going to choose something like lowest prices for drones, and well, just drones, I think we'll do that. Pardon me. And then what we're going to do is we can choose whether it wants to be a pop-up or whether it wants to be within a content. So I'm going to select pop-up. The position of the pop-up, we'll leave it on center, but you can have it to the left, to the right, to the bottom. You can choose whether you want to show the price or not. Okay, you can choose the number of columns. So whether you want the products, 3 columns wide or 4 columns wide, I'll do it as 3. Let's have a look. You can choose whether to show the image only, which would just be the actual image. If you leave it unchecked, then it will also use the title as well. The image position, whether you want the image up the top and then the wording underneath, or whether you want the image to the left and then have the wording to the right. Okay, and then the size of the actual image, I'm going to go large. Okay, so we'll have a nice large pop-up. So all you do then is we go and select our products. So I'm going to probably go 2 rows high and it's 3 columns along, so I'm going to choose 6 products. Okay, so I'm going to select them 4. I'm going to select this one and I'm going to select this one. Okay, so we've got 6 products. Then all we do then is click add selected products. Okay, it'll create a short code and add it within the content. I'm going to click update. And then what I'm going to do now, we're just going to click view post. So the person would land on the page. I know this is about golf, but we can forget that for this example. Then we see here, searching for best prices, lowest prices for drones. I mean, it comes up with the products that we have chosen. Okay, so if they click any image or any title, it will then take them through to Amazon via the user's affiliate link. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause the video and I'm just going to switch it to the Pro version and show you one of the features of that as well. Right, I've now switched over to the Pro version, which is the upsell. Now there's 3 benefits to the upsell, the Pro version. So the first one is we are bundling developer licensing as well. So if people want to install the site on a client site and charge them for that, then they can do so. Okay. The second feature is the geo-targeting as well. So if you have a website that is to do with golfing or whatever, then if someone lands on that site from the United States and then they click on a product served to them from the plugin, then it will take them to the United States Amazon, to that same product, but on the localized site for the United States. If they're from the UK, it will send them to the UK one, the French one to the French one, and so on. Okay, so it does that automatically. Now the main feature of the Pro version is that you can also add pop-up reviews when you hover over the products, and also descriptions as well. So this is this option in here that I've enabled. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pause the video and I'm going to apply it to one of the posts again, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. Okay, so what I've done is I've basically reset up the pop-up